So you want to advertise online, but maybe you don't know what to write in your ads, then you gotta check out this ad copy generator software that I've been using. Find out more right after this. Hey, welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. My name is Amanda and I'm here to help you increase your revenue online. So if you had never been here before, make sure you hit that subscribe button and we're just gonna jump right into it. This new ad copy generator software called Funnel Scripts, one of my absolute favorite copywriting softwares available at the moment. Essentially, you can get all of your ad copy generated within a matter of minutes. And so let me know down in the comments below, what type of ad are you trying to create copy for? Is it Facebook, Google, Bing? Let me know. And let's just jump right into it. I'm going to show you the dashboard here of Funnel Scripts, which is the ad copy generator software that I was talking about. And if you scroll down here, you'll see there is advertising scripts. There's a whole section on it. So yes, while there is copywriting scripts for all sorts of things like your sales page and all that good stuff, there is specifically a section for advertising scripts. And as you can see, we've got our curiosity ad scripts. These are for those type of ads, you know, where you see at the bottom of a blog post and it's got like some weird photo like, oh, you can't believe that this celebrity looks like this now, or something like that. That's what those guys are for. And then you've got your Facebook ads script, which, you know, is a no-brainer. And then your PPC ad scripts, which is pay-per-click. So that's like Google ads or Bing ads or anything like that. And then our stealth close script. So let's just quickly look at the Facebook newsfeed scripts. And if you check it out, there's a little video on each script. So it tells you exactly what you need to do and how to use it. And you can just load some example projects in here if you're not really too sure what to write. But basically you just fill out these fields here, you hit build, and then it will build out a whole bunch of different options for your ad. And as you can see, it shows you exactly what you need to put in each spot of your Facebook ad. And it also gives you options whether your traffic is cold, warm, or hot. Maybe you don't know this for sure. If you're retargeting, then you know, those are obviously going to be warm or hot leads. But yeah, you basically can just go through here and grab your headlines and your copy and all that based on what your traffic temperature is. So with that being said, it's a software that I highly recommend. There is a limited time offer as I'm posting this video to get lifetime unlimited access to this. Normally you have to pay a yearly subscription. So if you do catch this video in time, awesome, go and grab that offer. But I can't guarantee that they'll always have that offer around. Nonetheless, I have used this software for multiple years now and I just pay the yearly fee, although now I upgraded to the unlimited. So yeah, highly recommend it. Don't forget that if you do get this, it's not just for ad copy. There's all sorts of things like your sales copy, your webinar, you know, there's just so many that I can't even go through them. But basically, yeah, what you can do is if you use the link down in the description below, I'll actually give you a bonus. What you're gonna do is you're gonna opt in on the next page to my email list, where I'll send you a couple of free bonuses. And then in addition to that, I'll tell you how to get $700 worth of extra bonuses when you buy through my link. So if you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.